been my golden best friend. Now with post-demise at hand, I can't go to you for consolation, 'cause we're off limits during this transition. This grief overwhelms me, it burns in my stomach, and I can't stop bumping into things. I thought we'd be simple together, I thought we'd be happy together, thought we'd be limitless together. I thought we'd be precious together, but I was sadly mistaken. You've been my soulmate and then some. I remembered you the moment I met you. With you I knew God's face was handsome. With you I saw fire and expansion. This loss is numbing me, it pierces my chest, and I can't stop dropping everything. Thought we'd be sexy together, thought we'd be evolving together. I thought we'd have children together, I thought we'd be family together, but I was sadly mistaken. If I had a bill for all the philosophies I shared, if I had a penny for all the possibilities I presented, if I had a dime for every hand thrown up in the air, my wealth would render this no less severe. I thought we'd be genius together, I thought we'd be healing together, I thought we'd be growing together, thought we'd be adventurous together, but I was sadly mistaken. Thought we'd be